Ciao! I'm getting ready to get on one of the famous cable cars they have here in Lisbon. It's going to be the E28 car that I'm looking for. And I'm going down to Cafe Brasilia, one of the famous cafes that has great coffee and the tostada de nadas. So I should be getting on shortly. There are a couple of little tuk-tuks that are all over giving tours, and one of the nice things about the tuk-tuks here is that they're all electric. They don't allow gas-powered tuk-tuks because of the pollution and the noise factor. So that's really nice. Looks like there's a group of bike tourists going by. I did the bike tour the other day, and it was wonderful. So if you come to Lisbon or anywhere else, I highly recommend the bike tours if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in. So you can see by the trolley is coming down the road. There it is. This is the famous E28, which is one of the better routes for viewing the city. And I'm going to be taking this on my trip down to the cafe.
Il n'y a rien dans le quartier. Là, on aurait dû faire un du centre, en fait, on aurait dû faire le tour. Il n'y avait pas d'affaire. On fait le tour. Oh, excuse-moi. Je sais pas, c'est une niche pour me tenir. Moi, je peux faire ça.